will examine smell hormones. This drawback is very useful for accuracy in measuring liquids.
Now I'll introduce gloves. These are used to protect our hands from chemical and contamination.
Gloves must always be worn when handling samples or working with any substance.
Next, I will explain the head cover or cap. This is what to keep hair covered and maintain clean lines.
The head cover helps prevent hair from getting into equipment or samples.
So this